Do you ever feel like improving your finances means massive sacrifices, giving up everything you enjoy, eating plain meals, or living like a monk just to save a few bucks? What if I told you that's completely wrong, that you don't need a miracle salary or extreme discipline to improve your financial life? You just need a few smart, bite-sized changes that compound over time. So today, I'm sharing 5 things you can start doing right now, literally today, that can transform your money habits and help you move closer to financial stability and peace of mind. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Track every single expense for 1 week. Just one. Most of us think we know where our money goes, but we don't. That morning coffee, that random snack, the ride instead of a walk, they quietly drain our wallet. Use your phone's notes app or a free tracker like Wallet or Money Manager. Write down everything. You'll be shocked how small habits add up. The point isn't to feel guilty, it's to get awareness. Because awareness is power. Once you know your spending triggers, you can control them instead of letting them control you. Tip number 2. Cancel or pause one unnecessary subscription today. Go through your bank statements or your App Store list and look for apps, services, or memberships you're not actively using. Maybe it's Netflix, maybe a gym you rarely visit, or a premium app you forgot existed. Even saving £10, £15, or $20 a month adds up to hundreds every year. Redirect that amount into a small emergency fund or an automatic savings account. Over time, that little adjustment can become your financial cushion, and trust me, it feels good to know you have backup money waiting for you. Tip number 3. Start applying the 24-hour rule. Before buying anything that's not essential, shoes, gadgets, fancy food deliveries, wait 1 full day. Give your brain a chance to cool down from the instant dopamine rush of wanting. Often, you'll realize you didn't really need it. This one habit alone can save you from dozens of impulsive decisions every month. Think of it as training your financial muscle. The longer you resist instant gratification, the stronger your control over money becomes. Tip number 4. Automate your savings, even if it's a tiny amount. People think saving only works if you can put aside big numbers, but the truth is, consistency beats intensity. Set up an automatic transfer of 5% or 10% of your income to a separate savings or investment account. Treat it like a bill you pay to your future self. The key is to remove choice from the process, because if saving depends on willpower, life will always find a reason to interrupt it. Once automated, your savings grow quietly, like digital roots under the soil, steady, reliable, and powerful. Tip number 5. Invest in financial knowledge every single week. Money doesn't just grow through interest, it grows through understanding. Watch credible finance videos, read short blogs about budgeting or investing, or follow trustworthy educators on YouTube or Instagram. When you understand terms like inflation, index fund, or emergency fund, you stop feeling confused and start feeling in control. Financial literacy is the one skill that pays you for life. No degree or job can beat that return on investment. But let's take this one step further. Financial growth isn't only about saving, it's also about mindset. Start replacing the thought of "I can't afford it" with "How can I afford it?" That tiny shift transforms you from a passive spender to an active problem solver. It makes you look